Well, for starters, I feel very happy to be attending an award ceremony in the new normal. It's been over 2 years since I received my last award, so it feels good. And obviously, it's a great, great honor to be in a position where people get inspired by what you do and the work that you do. Truly is very motivating to me too. And I hope I keep inspiring people with the work that I do on screen and off screen. I think nobody's COVID experience is pleasant, nor was mine. But especially in the second wave, because me along with all our volunteers, we fought very hard to help as many people as possible, and that's when you realize the how serious this disease actually gets. Because I know so many people that lost family members, that lost loved ones, and I really hope that the third wave is a lot better. I really hope that people have learned a huge lesson from what's happened in the second wave. They mask, they double mask, they maintain social distancing, they get vaccinated. I think that's the most important thing. And where my films are concerned, we are back to working, and we are trying to follow as many COVID protocols as possible. And yeah, it's good to be back to work. I always keep telling people that we need to kind of put back money into our economy for a lot of things to stabilize. So I'm happy that from my end that process has started. I think there are women in all fields today that inspires, be it sport, be it arts, be it science, anything, and thanks to social media and the internet, there are stories that we can now read, and there are people that we can reach out to, and there's so much that we can learn from them. And where my position as an inspiring a woman is concerned, I feel very fortunate. I feel very lucky to have honestly joined the films at a time where the language of cinema was changing. The kind of roles that I got, I feel very fortunate, and I'm glad that I've managed to inspire women and men and just people in general. And as I said earlier, I hope to do the same with the work that I do. Currently, I am shooting for Raksha Bandhan, and there is a lot happening, but we can't really speak about all the things. But it's, as I said earlier, it's good to be back on set. It's good to meet people that you worked with. It's good to kind of be somebody who away from me. I really missed being in a character, because literally for the last 5 years of my life, that's all I've done, and I really miss that. I really miss being somebody who's so away from me and the madness of acting and the adrenaline rush. And I feel very happy to be back.
Hi, this is Samina Sheikh, and with me today I have the handsome and dashing Chunky Pandey. So, what brings you here?
यार मैं बचपन से जब इकोनॉमिक टाइम्स पढ़ता था आई टू थिंक इफ आई रीड द इकोनॉमिक्स टाइम्स आई विल बिकम वेरी रिच सो now I'm finally getting a chance to present the Economic Time Awards. But I think this is the Filmfare Awards of entrepreneurs and businessmen, so I'm very proud to actually present it to someone, and especially to the beautiful ladies tonight. I'm excited.
Who inspires you at your house, inspiring women around you?
Well, I think the first would be my mother, who's not with us anymore. I used to hero worship my mother. I still hero worship my mother because, right since a kid, I've seen her working 7 days a week, 24/7. She was a doctor. And I used to be her compounder. I used to carry her visiting bag and mix all her medicines for her and stuff. So I've been seeing her work, and then I married a working woman, Bhavna, my wife, who's still working and loves working. And then my elder daughter, who's a workaholic herself. So all the beautiful women around me have all been workaholics and extremely enterprising. So I'm really lucky.
So are you, even you're a workaholic for that matter, if I say. And what is keeping you busy, during this lockdown, and what is inspiring you though?
Oh my God. What is inspiring me in the lockdown is that when it opens, everything's going to be really crazy and great. So I'm very optimistic that things will be much better when they open up, even better than before. I'm very optimistic about that. So that's what's really keeping me going in the lockdown.
Also theatres.
I have also been working, and I was working before the lockdown, during the lockdown, and I'm going to be working tomorrow again, and I'm working tonight at the Economic Times Awards.
That's nice to hear. But at the same time, of course, like theaters are opening soon, and Akshay Kumar is coming with his film Bell Bottom, which is releasing on 19th of August, and you've worked with him. So how excited are you that finally things are opening up and all?
Yeah, Akshay is the opening batsman, yeah, for the second lockdown. I'm sure it's going to do very, very well because, देखो भाई, OTT is superb. I love OTT. OTT is a great platform to watch seasons and series like basically. But I don't enjoy films on OTT much. Believe me. I mean that okay, you watch them, but जो theater में मजा आता है, that's something else. Popcorn खा के, Coca-Cola पी के, सीटी बजा के, ताली बजा के, laughing, joking, crying. That is a different experience that will never go away, and I'm waiting for it to start again.
Chunky, when you talk about theaters, like the way you're missing theaters, like, do you remember one of your memories where you have gone incognito completely just to check the reaction of the people, of the audience out there?
नहीं नहीं इनकॉग्निटो भूल जाओ जब मैं बचपन में स्कूल में था एक पिक्चर लगी थी अडल्ट पिक्चर कॉल एंटर द ड्रैगन तो उसमें मैं अडल्ट पिक्चर थी और मैं था कुछ सिक्स स्टैंडर्ड में फिफ्थ स्टैंडर्ड में ऑब्वियसली आई वाज टू यंग टू गो टू सी इट तो मैं बुरखा पहन के चला गया था और फिर इंटरवल में व्हेन आई हैड टू गो टू द टॉयलेट आई वेंट टू द मेंस टॉयलेट बाय मिस्टेक वहाँ पकड़ा गया और बहुत पिटाई हुई मेरी मैनेजर सब ने मुझे निकाल दिया अपने थिएटर से
Wow, that's a good memory though. Like, if you remember of such things, you do laugh, I'm sure. But Chunky, what is keeping you busy? Like, आपकी कौन सी फिल्म्स भी आ रही जिसको हम देखना चाहेंगे?
So I can't name the films, but मेरी शो आ रही है OTT पे, which is a great show. दिविंदु है मेरे साथ, दिविंदु शर्मा, and it's a beautiful, nice show. Applause Entertainment के लिए कर रहा हूँ. I can't reveal much about it. फिर मैं एक तमिल फिल्म कर रहा हूँ, and I'm doing another film जिसकी शूटिंग के लिए I'm actually going to be traveling abroad very soon. ये है दलजीत दोसांझ के साथ, and there's बोमन ईरानी, डायना पेंटी, काफ़ी लोग हैं इसमें.
That's nice to hear. And also, your own daughter is working with, people down south. I mean, Ananya Pandey is doing so well. She's come up with, so positive initiative, and then she's working in a lot of projects. So how does that feel? Because she's already making you so proud with, at such a young age.
Yeah, she has. She's not only made me proud, she's kind of shocked me because मेरे लिए तो वो हमेशा बच्ची रह गई and she was just out of school when she 12th standard खत्म होते ही she was very lucky she got a break and started working. She's 22 now तो पता भी नहीं चलता है उसके almost 3.5-4 साल हो गए फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में. Unfortunately 1.5 years has gone in lockdown तो वो डिस्काउंट करना पड़ेगा but she's taken it. सबसे ज़्यादा ट्रोलिंग तो उसकी होती है बेचारी की तो she decided to do something about it and help everyone out and so started so positive. But she's a very positive, happy, nice person. तो वो कभी किसी को किसी चीज़ को या लोगों को अपने she doesn't let them pull her down. So she always likes to stay happy and around, not down and depressed. That's Ananya.
But also, as you spoke about, she gets trolled quite often. But, off late, of course, there's a balance right now that it's not only Ananya Pandey. A lot of actors are getting trolled, by netizens, be it like films or be it like, kind of picture they have posted. Memes बनने लग जाते हैं. So what do you have to say about that? Meme culture भी एक जो है वो trend हो रहा है. Do you enjoy personally meme though?
Everything is good, yaar. As far as you're in the news, they say talk good, talk bad, but don't forget me, yaar.
Yeah.
You have to be in the news. I mean, don't go and murder someone to get into the news, but it's whatever happens, yeah, for the good or the bad, at least charcha to ho rahi hai na. So you shouldn't take it that seriously. See, you've put yourself out there to be a public figure. Ab galiyan to padne hi wali hai. Padne do, enjoy it.
Thank you so much for your time and all the best. And of course, we are looking forward to your films. Thank you so much for your time. Today, I have the lovely, gorgeous Erica Fernandez at ET Inspiring Women 2021. How does it feel being a part of this?
I don't know how to actually put this into words because I have no words and it's really overwhelming for me right now to be present here and to be, it's too much for me to digest at this moment. I feel really grateful for whatever I've done, probably to be here and receiving an award. So yeah, I don't know what more to say.
Erika, you have been quite busy. You have already made a name and fame out there, in the TV world, and of course, everything is keeping you quite busy.
Right.
So, what excites you to be a part of the TV world and just keep it going on?
The fact that I see people smiling and I can see people, connect with whatever I play on screen, and they love seeing that. And it just gives me a whole kick to perform and do something more and to entertain people. That's what keeps me going.
And playing Prerna was not that easy for you because, of course, it was, ups and downs and, playing different character completely. And, of course, there is some inspiration to Shweta Tiwari and that, comparison kept on happening. So how did you deal with it?
So I actually initially thought that it would be very tough for me, but the fact that it was for a different generation, done by a different generation, and that's what actually made it a little easier for me. And I didn't want to do the same thing that she did, so I tried to do it in my own way. And tried to put somewhat of me into the character to play the character. That's what I do with most of my characters, actually.
Though we get to see that I have been watching that serial very closely. You guys fight and all, but off screen you guys have a different chemistry altogether. Be it with Parth or be it different characters in the movie, in the serial. So how do you maintain that and and just be on the camera being completely different?
I think as actors, we have learned to snap in and snap out of characters very easily when we are on set. And it happens on set. So if you ask me to just do something right now, I'll be like, I'll not be able to do that very well because you are in that whole atmosphere, in that whole, environment where you know that, okay, this is work and this is what we have to perform and how we have to do it. Because I'm the worst liar ever. And, if you ask me to play a prank on someone like that, I will start smiling and yeah, it's just, it's a giveaway that, okay, she's up to something. And if you ask me to do the same thing in a scene, I can just do it. So the thing with us on screen and off screen, we are so comfortable with each other that we are able to perform so well on screen because we know how each other, the give and take is there. So that is required.
Your Instagram game is quite on fire. And how do you manage that with all the pictures and photo shoots and all? How do you manage that?
See, I believe moreover in quality than quantity. So I'm not usually posting too much. I just put out a certain few things, and I am someone who likes things organized. I just don't like things out of place. No, I don't. So that's how I just maintain the whole profile. And a lot of fans, also complain about grids and this and that. But that's how I like it. It's my profile, and that's how I like to maintain it. So.
And what's keeping you busy right now?
My shoot. Right now, I'm doing Kachrang, which is the season 3, and that's what's keeping me busy.
Apart from that, are you taking up more projects and all?
I am in talks with a few other, projects and all, but as of now, this is keeping me quite busy. So, whenever anything happens, I will let you all know.
And lastly, what do you have to say about your association with Ekta Kapoor, the big name itself?
Yeah, of course. And, working with her also has got me to where I am today because, everything is put together as a team and, the teamwork and you know who you work with and that's how you get recognized. So, yeah.
Thank you so much, Arika, for your time and all the best.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Samina Sheikh here, and with me today I have Harshdeep Kaur, who has won the award, and she's over here at the ET Inspiring Women 2021. How does it feel winning this award?
Well, firstly, I would like to thank ET for this wonderful honor. And to be called an inspiring woman in itself is an honor. And since childhood, I wanted to become a musician that could inspire people. So this is very, very special.
And it's been just 5 months you have delivered a baby boy, and you have started traveling with him. How does that feel, embracing motherhood?
Well, it's beautiful. It's not easy at all, but it has helped me, discover different facets that I had and I never knew. But it's a beautiful journey, and I'm enjoying each and every moment of motherhood. And this is my first award after becoming a mother.
And your husband is always there to support you. He is always encouraging you. So of course, that's definitely inspiring. So what are the next projects you are working on, and what we are going to hear from Harshdeep?
Well, I'm composing a lot of music, so I'm working on that. My own singles that I'll be releasing on my own label. So that's what I'm working on, and a few devotional projects as well. And now that I'm singing a lot of lullabies, I think I should release an album for lullabies also. So yes, I'm working on that. And if we talk about my husband, I'm really grateful to God that I have him in my life. He's not just a great husband, but he's also my best friend, and he always pushes me to do even better in my career also and personally.
That's quite nice to hear, but at the same time, Harshdeep, you have been just too good. You have been just too brilliant. And before we let you go, we are of course going to make you sing few lines for the audience out there. And he being one of the favorite for all of the people out there.
So you want me to sing Heer?
Yeah.
Okay. So a couple of lines from me. हीर हीर ना खोड़ियो मैं ते साहिबा होई कोड़ी लेके आवे ले जाए हाय कोड़ी लेके आवे ले जाए. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your time and all the best. Thank you. And with me today, I have Pooja Makhija. After a very long time, I'm meeting you after a very long time. The last I met you was during Meera Kapoor's event, book launch event, and it was very long. So, how is it going for you during lockdown?
It's going good. People have, it has taken a pandemic for us, for everyone to realize the value of health. So, yes, the lockdown has been awfully busy because everyone wanted to take care of themselves even more. So, it's been fruitful. I've been able to help lots more people. Of course, it has its laybacks of not being able to talk to people, but talk to an instrument. But nevertheless, the awakening of health is enlightening, and that's what's kept me alive during the lockdown.
That's nice to hear. But also, like, since you're here, at ET Inspiring Women 2021, which women have inspired you personally, Pooja?
Which women have inspired me? As cliche as it sounds, it's always been my mum. She's always been my complete ideal in terms of how to act, how to behave, how to show anxiety, how to show stress, how to show happiness, and how to be a mum. I have two girls, and they're constantly needing, and they're teenagers now, so taking care of them is another ball game altogether, and that's when you realize the value of your mom and how well she did her job. So I think truly inspirational is my mom. As cliche as it sounds, yes.
And you have personally inspired a lot of, actresses out there, a lot of actors also out there. What keeps you going?
What keeps me going? Just the drive to get more and more people to fall in love with food, because today everyone is so scared of food, and food is only equal to calories. My entire drive is only to make people fall in love with food again and not to fear food, because food is what gives you good health, vitality, skin, hair, anti-aging, immunity. Everything comes from your food. So that's what keeps me alive, is to keep spreading the word and making more and more people fall in love with good food.
Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you have a great time inside.
Pleasure
Thank you.
meeting you then.
Thank you. Today I have Shehnaz Treasury. We have finally found her after a long time. First of all, welcome on E Times.
Thank you
And
so
how
much.
does it feel being a part of ET Inspiring Women 2020?
Feels so good. I feel very honored. Thank you so much.
We do see your Instagram, and you're setting it completely on fire by traveling a lot and making people excited completely to go to different places and all. So how do you manage that though?
I really love, I mean, it's my three loves, right? It's travel, it's making videos, it's editing, it's making stories. So I enjoy not just traveling, enjoy putting it all together. And what's nice is when people like you come up to me and say, hey, we were inspired to go to Kashmir because of your videos. That really makes me feel happy.
So are you enjoying this influencer part completely, because right now people do want to travel? Of course, the lockdown has, set a
It's
different
revenge
impact.
traveling right now. Yes, I do enjoy it a lot. In fact, I've traveled more now around India than I ever have in the past year. It's been a whole lot of travel around India, and I'm really enjoying my country, my India.
That's very nice to hear. But Shehnaz, also, we have not seen you on, on screen since a long time. So when are we going to see you on screen?
So this is what I do now. This is my main job. This is my third career. My first career was MTV VJ. Second career was acting, and this is my third career, and I'm really enjoying it.
So you really don't want to, come back and
I don't have any plans.
So basically, we are not actually seeing a comeback of Shehnaz Treasury, because of course we loved you in Delhi Belly also, and you have done so many films and all. But of course, so
Maybe I will, but right now I'm really enjoying doing what I do. It's
what do you
fun.
have to say about women, inspiring women right now, and things have changed, even in Bollywood, there are a lot of changes in terms of roles and all. So what are your
yeah.
thoughts on that?
So about what's the question?
So basically,
Women
inspiring women over here,
Women
and
inspiring
women
is amazing. This is such a great event with so many women, so many inspiring women. I'm looking forward to going inside and actually taking notes from other women.
Thank you so much for your time and all the best. Thank you. And with me today, I have Shaina NC, who's become a part of Women Inspiring. It's such a good campaign, and it's of course such a good event. What do you have to say about it?
I think women must support women to start with, and women inspiring each other through these platitudes only gives you the impetus to work that much harder. Gone are the days where women are not secure, educated, and financially empowered. But a little bit of recognition makes them go that little further. So I think it's a great event that Economic Times has organized, and congratulations to all the winners and the jury both.
Also, you have inspired a lot of women out there with your, activities and, whatever initiative you do, social activities. So what do you have to say about the women who are actually struggling also to, make a mark out there?
I would only tell them that, really work hard, strive hard, but more importantly, make sure that you make that limited mark by giving back to society rather than making it limited only to your profession. And nothing succeeds like honesty, hard work, and that's the only mantra that works.
What is keeping you busy these days? Like during this lockdown, what is
Too many things, right from my fashion career to my being spokesperson of the party every day on television is a Herculean task, but this time from home is much more convenient.
Thank you so much for your time and all the best. Hi, this is Amina Sheikh here, and with me today I have Shehnaz Gill, who is looking stunning. पहली बात तो आपकी इस look और अदाए का क्या बोले, आपके जलवों का क्या बोले, and of course you're here at ET Inspiring Women 2021 Award, and आप खुद जीते हो. So how does it feel?
बहुत अच्छा लगता है, फर्स्ट टाइम है एंड लगता है कि कुछ सच्ची किया है लाइफ में, अच्छा किया है. देखो अच्छा करते हो तो अच्छा मिलता है, अच्छा सोचते हो तो अच्छा ही होता है. तो मैं हमेशा ये सोचती थी, और जो मेरे सपने हैं, जो मतलब मैं जिन चीज़ों के बारे में अभी अभी तक सोचा वो मिल रहा है, और मैं आगे भी अच्छा सोचूंगी और मुझे अच्छा मिलता जाएगा. और ये फर्स्ट टाइम है, अभी आई थिंक बहुत टाइम है, बहुत आगे आगे बढ़ना है और आगे आगे और अच्छा करते जाना है. और बस और इससे ज़्यादा मैं कुछ बोलना चाहती, ज़्यादा ज्ञान नहीं देना चाहती. दैट्स इट.
शहनाज, आपने बिग बॉस में जो धमाल किया है उसके बाद से आपका एक पर्सनालिटी, आपके ऑरा को देखकर काफ़ी लोग इम्प्रेस हो गए हैं. देयर आर वेरी मैनी विमेन आउट देयर, मैनी गर्ल्स आउट देयर जो देखते कि अच्छा शहनाज गिल को देख के एक इंस्पिरेशन लेना चाहिए कि उसने इतना सब कुछ देखा, बट शी नेवर लॉस्ट हर होप्स एंड ऑल. शी वेंट थ्रू अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग, टफ टाइम, शी हैड अ ब्रेक डाउन एंड ऑल, बट स्टिल यू स्टैंड tall, you were standing tall throughout the event, and throughout that Big Boss round, उसके बाद में भी आपने इतना अच्छा काम किया. So what kept you inspiring?
ओके, तो पहले मेरा ना ऐसे था कि मैं बहुत बिंदास टाइप थी, कूल टाइप. मुझे कोई चीज़ का मतलब टेंशन ही नहीं होता था मुझे. बट मैं मेहनती हमेशा से रही हूँ, मैं अपनी मेहनत करती गई हूँ. बहुत लाइफ में क्या होता है ना, तुम मतलब धीरे धीरे सीखते हो, एकदम से ये नहीं कि तुम ऐसे भी नहीं होता कि एकदम से बहुत अच्छा करने लग पड़ते हो. यानी मैंने भी धीरे धीरे सीखा, गलतियाँ की बहुत ज़्यादा, और उससे मुझे ये नहीं कि मैं उसको रिपीट करती गई, अब मैं उनसे सीख रही हूँ. थैंक गॉड मैंने गलतियाँ की, इनसे मुझे कितना कुछ सीखने को मिला. एंड और क्या बोलूँ कि अच्छी बात है अगर जो मतलब मेरे से लोग मोटिवेट होते हैं कि मैंने कुछ अच्छा किया है. मैंने बहुत इम्प्रूव किया, वो मैं बिग बॉस वाली सना मतलब थोड़ी चेंज हो रही है. मतलब मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं थोड़ा अपने आप को, बट मैं अपने पंजाब का नाम रोशन करना चाहती हूँ. मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं इसको और आगे लेकर जाऊँ एंड पंजाब को प्राउड फील कराऊँ हमेशा. एंड इंडिया की शहनाज गिल तो हुई, बट पंजाब में मैं पैदा हुई हूँ, इसलिए मेरे को कुछ अच्छा ही करना है और अपने पेरेंट्स को, दादा दादी को प्राउड फील कराना है हमेशा.
इस बार बिग बॉस OTT प्लेटफॉर्म पे आ रहा है, और वहाँ पे बहुत सारे फेसेस जो ऑलरेडी लाइक दे हैव बीन डूइंग एंकरिंग एंड ऑल. उसमें क्या हम आपको भी देखेंगे?
ये मैं नहीं बता सकती, क्या पता देख लो. और मैं पहले चीज़ें रिवील नहीं करती, क्योंकि जितनी देर मैं वहाँ पहुँचती नहीं ना, मैं उतनी देर कुछ वो मतलब गारंटी नहीं देती. बाद में कहेंगे ले ये तो झूठ बोल गई. तो इसलिए पता नहीं मैं जाऊंगी नहीं जाऊंगी, वो आपको वहाँ पता चलेगा. उधर इंटरव्यू लेने आना ना मेरी, ठीक है. एंड दूसरा बीबी बस हो गया. यही था।
टॉकिंग अबाउट योर कैमराड्री विथ सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला, वो काफ़ी प्रेज किया जाए। आपकी जो कैमराड्री, जो आपकी जो केमिस्ट्री है, आपकी जो केमिस्ट्री है, आपकी जो वो है, आप दोनों का जो पेयर को काफ़ी लोग अप्रिशिएट करते हैं। जब भी आप दोनों साथ में आते हो एक अलग ही मज़ा आता है, एक अलग ही तूफान चाहता है। तो हम दोनों यानी हम जैसे लोग, इवन बीट मीडिया, बीट द ऑडियंस आउट देयर, चाहते हैं कि आप दोनों कुछ साथ में फिल्म करें। कैसे होगा?
आप दुआएं देते रहो, क्या पता हो जाए। और अच्छी बात है, हमने मतलब इतना कुछ सिखाया इकट्ठे, मतलब जो रहे हमारा, जो लोगों को केमिस्ट्री जो थी वो एक रियलिटी थी और एक प्योर रिश्ता था और वो हमेशा रहेगा। एंड दूसरी बात कि लाइक मूवीज़ एंड ऑल वो देखते हैं, अच्छा कुछ मिलेगा तो करेंगे, हमारे टाइप का अगर हम दोनों को सूट करेगा कुछ तो करेंगे। बाकी तुम बस वेट करते जाओ और हम दोनों को भी प्यार करते जाओ, उससे भी और हमें भी, मुझे भी।
शहनाज, यू आर वर्किंग विद दिलजीत एंड वो तो ऑलरेडी पंजाबी में, लाइक उन्होंने पंजाब सिनेमा में उन्होंने बहुत धमाल मचा के रखा है। ऑफ कोर्स तुम भी पंजाब में, एज अ पंजाबी एक्ट्रेस यू हैव बीन नोन ओवर देयर, लाइक पीपल रियली लाइक लॉर्ड योर परफॉर्मेंसेस। सो हाउ एक्साइटेड आर यू लाइक फॉर द फिल्म?
फिल्म मतलब लोग देखना चाहते हैं कि मतलब मेरी पंजाबी सुनना चाहते हैं। वैसे तो मेरी हिंदी टच में ही पंजाबी है, बट ये है कि लाइक अभी दिलजीत के साथ काम किया है, एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा था। एंड वो बहुत प्रोफेशनल है और बहुत अच्छे तरीके से काम करते हैं। एंड मुझे अच्छा लगा, दिलजीत अच्छा बड़ा नाम है। तो बाकी जब आएगी फिल्म और आपको मेरी एक्टिंग देखने को भी मिलेगी, थोड़ा रोना धोना सारे मतलब इमोशंस मिलेंगे और बहुत अच्छी है। और लोग मुझे और दिलजीत को देखना चाहते हैं क्योंकि पंजाबी है। एंड मज़ा आएगा आप सबको देख के। बहुत अच्छी स्टोरी है फिल्म की।
और जो कुछ पिक्चर्स हमने देखे हैं उसमें आप प्रेग्नेंट रोल प्ले कर रहे हो, तो हाउ डिफ़िकल्ट वाज दैट फॉर यू? बिकॉज वो ऑन स्क्रीन करना इतना इजी नहीं होता, इतना आसान नहीं होता। लाइक कृति सानन ने भी रिसेंटली एक फिल्म किया है मिमी, उसमें भी शी वाज प्लेइंग द रोल ऑफ अ प्रेग्नेंट लेडी। सो वो ऑन स्क्रीन वो कैरेक्टर में जाना इतना आसान नहीं होता। आपके लिए कैसा था वो?
कुछ भी मुश्किल नहीं होता मुझे लगता है, जब तुम उस किरदार वो मतलब जब तुम शूट करने लगते हो, उस फील में आते हो, जैसे कुछ भी ड्रेसअप होता है या कुछ भी फील, तो तुम उस फील में चले जाते हो। आर्टिस्ट जो होता है कोई भी एक्टिंग करेगा ना तो वो उस फील में चला जाता है जब तुम्हें मतलब वैसा ड्रेसअप एंड वैसा रोल होता है। कुछ मुश्किल नहीं है, सब इजी है लाइफ में। तो माँ का रोल था, मतलब तो माँ वाली फीलिंग ले ली। देखो प्यार, फीलिंग्स निकलनी चाहिए अंदर से, तो मेरे अंदर बहुत फीलिंग्स है और मैं निकाल लेती हूँ उसको। तो मैंने मम्मी का रोल बहुत अच्छा किया है, एक छोटे से बच्चे का। मतलब वो स्टोरी अभी मैं बता नहीं सकती, बट एक मॉडर्न मम्मी है।
अच्छा, और इसके अलावा आप क्या प्रोजेक्ट्स पे काम कर रहे हो, अगर इफ़ यू कैन रिवील सर्टेन डिटेल्स अबाउट इट?
अभी मैं ना क्या नाम है, हील्स डाली है मैंने और मैं थक रही हूँ। अब मैं आपको ज़्यादा इंटरव्यू नहीं दे सकती क्योंकि आप अभी मैं सारे चिट्ठे खोल दूँगी।
बट चिट्ठे मत खोलिए, बट लाइक कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स होंगे जो अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस यू माइट बी इन पाइपलाइन, कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा।
मीटिंग्स चल रही है, कुछ अच्छा ही करेंगे, नहीं अच्छा होगा तो फिर नहीं करेंगे, बैठे, बट अच्छा करेंगे। अब तो ठान लिया कुछ अच्छा ही करना है और जो मुझे प्यार करते हैं मुझे पता है उनको अच्छा ही लगेगा, मैं उनको दिखाने के लिए ही करती हूँ और बस दैट्स इट।
एंड लास्टली आपके फैंस के लिए क्या मैसेज है?
मेरे फैंस को यही मैसेज है कि जैसे आप मुझे प्यार करते हो मुझे हमेशा करते रहो। एंड प्यार करते रहो हमेशा और ये नेगेटिविटी से दूर रहो। और क्या बोलूँ यार, बस मतलब यार अभी क्या बताना है, इतना करते हैं मेरे लिए, सब कुछ वही कर रहे हैं, है ना। तो इसीलिए आप मेरे साथ खड़े हो, मुझे जानते हो कि हाँ शहनाज को लोग पसंद करते हैं, मतलब मुझे इतना वो करते हैं।
ऑलरेडी काफ़ी आपको इंस्पायर तो कर दिया और आपके लिए झगड़ा भी कर लेते हैं वो लोग सोशल मीडिया पर।
yes. और वही चीज़ तो आज वहीं खड़ी हूँ ना, इसीलिए यहाँ पे हूँ, इसीलिए गाउन डाला हुआ है मैंने, लोग मेरी वीडियोस बना रहे। नहीं तो अगर मैं फेमस ना होती आप कहाँ मेरे को पूछते यार।
ऐसे तो नहीं नहीं है.
ऐसे तो है ना.
Thank you so much, Shehnaz, for your time and all the very best. We are looking forward to see more of you progressing, and I'm sure आप करोगे वो. आप में वो जज्बा है. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.